I am duly nominated.
Uganda People's Congress Party Electoral Commission has extended the deadline for the submission of nomination forms for members of parliament and LC5 aspirants till Friday this week. The exercise that began on July 12 was supposed to be concluded yesterday, but due to some challenges that arose, Aji Kazimbi Raine Mahmoud, the party electoral commission's chairman, announced that the deadline has now been extended until Thursday, July 18th. Kazimbi Raine said this will give time for other people who still want to express interest but caught up by time to do so.
Extension of deadline for parliamentary and local government nominations. The Party Electoral Commission would like to inform the entire membership and the country at large that the deadline for picking and returning of applications / declaration of interest form for both parliamentary and local government positions that was set for Tuesday 15th July 2025 has been extended to Friday 18th July 2025, closing at 5 o'clock p.m. purposely to allow those who were caught up by time and or other challenges to express interest for various elective positions.
At least over 120 individuals have picked nomination forms to contest as Uganda People's Congress flag bearers for parliamentary and district chairperson positions ahead of 2026 general election. The nomination process at the UPC party headquarters at Uganda House in Kampala began on July 12 and was expected to close on July 15th. The majority of the aspirants are from Mount region, although several others hailed from different parts of the country. Of the 120 aspirants, 100 are eyeing parliamentary seats, while 20 are seeking district chairperson LC5 positions. UPC spokesperson Musei Faisal described the nomination exercise as peaceful and orderly. He noted that although Lango has the largest number of aspirants, there are also candidates from other regions, including Kigezi, Ankole, and Kasese.
The process has been very peaceful, has been very calm. Members came in big numbers in response. The party roadmap which the chairman, the Party Electoral Commission released, and that's Haji Kazimbi Mahmoud. So members have responded well, and they have also thanked the organization of the party for managing the process well. So members are coming, even in Kabale, we have members coming for MP.
You said everywhere. UPC? Everywhere.
UPC.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the Electoral Commission of UPC for having nominated me. I'm now a candidate who is going to stand as a member of parliament for Jinja North constituency. New was the second largest city in this country. Right now as we talk, Jinja is in rooms.
After the nomination, some candidates share their vision.
My name is Geoffrey Uchel, duly nominated as a candidate to go and contest as the chairman LC5 electoral. My first priority will be to tackle issues of health.
Leo Elim, I am so delighted that this hour I am duly nominated to contend for parliamentary position, Moroto County, Aleptong District. You see, Moroto County has an immense history. Dr. Polomento Robote represented Moroto in the year 1957. So as I stand here, I am so grateful that I am walking in the footprint of greatness. That is so phenomenal.
However, there are also a number of undesirable issues surrounding UPC internal elections, especially in Lango. The former Uganda People's Congress chairperson for Kole District, who is currently the national mobilizer, George Iwal Alao, has expressed concern over growing divisions among party members. While addressing residents in Agege, Balasap County, Kole District, Iwal Alao pointed to the ongoing dispute between MPs Maxwell Akora and Ushan Patrick, both vying for the UPC flag to contest the Apache municipality seat. He noted that the disagreement has now escalated into a clan-based conflict. Meanwhile, UPC now regional chairperson Chris Ongom confirmed that the conflict, which arose following the dismissal of Ushan Patrick from the party, has been referred to the party's disciplinary committee. Should the committee fail to resolve the issue, it will be forwarded to the National Council for further management, he added. The former Member of Parliament of Uyam South constituency, Isha Oto Amiza, also raised a similar concern, citing the ongoing conflict, which is alleged to be between the woman Member of Parliament of Uyam District, Santa Alumugwa, and the current Member of Parliament of Uyam South, who is also the Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Betty Amoi Akena. Thank you very much for watching Lango News channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.